Good morning, everyone. My name is Nidhi Somaya, and my topic is Complex Search Program. Now, in Complex Search Program, the records can be retrieved using more than one option. For example, if you have a class register, a student's detail can be retrieved by searching either by name or by roll number or by both. So that is, we are having more than one option for searching the details. And in complex search program, you can also set conditions to retrieve records. And this can be done using SQL statements. Now, SQL statements can be used to retrieve data by comparing values, for which there are certain statements which we are going to use, and we just need to focus on one particular statement right now, that is select from where. And to select all the fields in a table, asterisk is used. Now let's see an example. Let's see a general program for complex search program. Here, private sub command 1 click, that is command 1 is the name of the control and click is the event. That is, when you will click on command 1, the further program will be executed. Data1 dot record source. Here, data1 is the data control, and data control is used to connect the database. And record source is the property of data1. Now, record source specifies the part of database seen by the control. So we are going to put a condition in record source. That is, we will put the condition by which the record source will be retrieved with our particular given conditions. Here, select is the SQL statement. Asterisk means we are selecting all the fields of the table from salary. Salary is the table list, where combo1.text plus combo2.text plus text1.text. Now here combo1.text is the record from which any of the field added in the list, and combo2.text is the combo box in which the user can use in which user can select the operator, that is, can give the particular condition. And text1 is basically the text box used to specify the value. Now data1 dot refresh. Data1 is the data control, and refresh is the method attached to data1 which will refresh the data control, and hence the particular record set which the given statements will be retrieved. Now, to do all these things, we need to first load the form. So form load is the statement which will load the form. Now we'll see the example. Here the example is to display record of a employee from salary table in data grid in which the basic salary is greater than 4,000. Here we have to put the condition that the basic salary is greater than 4,000. So data1 dot record source is equals to select from salary where basic is greater than 4,000. Now basic is combo box 1. Greater than is the combo box 2, that is the combo box used for operators, which we specified that we will use it for operators, and 4,000 is the text box, and this is how we set the condition. Now after refreshing it, the desired data set will be retrieved. This is how complex search programs are used. Thank you.